Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some Glowforge news here to share with you guys. I figure I'd share it here on YouTube just in case you don't visit the community forums that often and you want to be part of this $1,000 proof grade gift card giveaway. I'm going to show you guys how to enter into that. You got about 3 to 4 days left here before the contest is over. It's super easy to submit a design to be part of this. It is to promote their new Magic Canvas artificial intelligence program here. So you need to know how to use this. I made multiple videos before this video on how to use this, so check that out if you need to know. But once you know how to do that, you'll basically take screenshots of your designs here to submit an entry, and you'll have to print onto like a actual material if you want even more entries. I'm going to show you guys that. I just stayed on point with this video and did stacks of wood and money here since that's their prize. This obviously isn't their proof grade material. I'm going to show you what that looks like really quick. That looks like this right here. So if you're impressed by that and you like their material there and you want to try and win $1,000 worth of their material, stick around. I'm going to show you guys how to enter in for that. The gift card will help because as you can see, this stuff is not cheap as is. So let's just jump into it. You're going to go to Glowforge's main website and click the community tab at the very top. It's going to bring you to this page here once you click on that community tab. And then you can try and search for it in these announcement tabs or wherever you think it might be. The easiest thing to do is go up to search and then search in $1,000 prize, and it'll be right at the top here. And once you click on that, it'll bring you to the main post here. It looks like this. And you can read over all the rules. You can pause the video here if you don't want to visit the forums to read the rules. But to enter, you will need to be in the forums or do any of the following. I'm not going to read the whole thing off to you guys, so pause the video if you need to. But I'm going to hit the highlight points here just to save you some time in this video. Basically, they're giving away a $1,000 gift card for proof grade material. It ends at midnight on the 19th, so technically it just ends right before the 20th, so you have about 3.5 days left for this. You can do a maximum of 20 entries across all platforms, and here's how you can get your entries right here. So basically, what I said earlier, a screenshot of the Magic Canvas creation. So if I screenshotted this, came back to this post, scroll down below this picture here and click reply, I can reply with my screenshot and that gets me 1 entry. You can do the same thing where you take a photo. So let's say you print this off on a piece of material, whether it's wood or a wallet or anything that you print this on. You take a photo of that, come back here, click reply, upload that, and that gets you 5 entries. Then you rinse and repeat with Instagram and TikTok. Except TikTok has to be a video, it can't be a photo, but Instagram is the exact same as the one before. So that's pretty much how you guys do it. If you want to read the terms and conditions, there are terms and conditions there as well. I won't get into that. I'll let you guys look that over. But that is how you submit your prize for the contest. I'm not sure if you can do more than 1 photo for 1 entry, because it does say a maximum of 20 entries, and all of this combined does not add up to 20 entries total. So I'm assuming that you can submit 2 more photos here of screenshots, but I'm not entirely sure why they have a maximum of 20 and less than 20 with doing all of the steps below here. So just a heads up on that. If you want to get all 20, maybe enter in 2 more photos down below on this post just to be safe. Other than that, I just wanted to bring this to light for everybody who's on YouTube that doesn't visit the community forums that often and share the information with you guys. Other than that, we'll catch you guys in the next video here.